Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
And once again, folks, we're telling you, First Republic Mortgage Bankers leading in the industry. Check them out online on the Banking Authority and see who's leading and why. Once again, folks, they're here today to help each and every one across the entire tri-state area get into that house. Not because the market is what everyone is saying, the negativity, the hype in the newspaper all over the tri-state area. Yeah, we see it in the New York Times. We see it in all these papers. Everybody's been watching the CNBCs, the MSNBC. But we know better. Yeah, we know that First Republic Mortgage Bankers can help. So make sure you link up. And right now, Sandy's here. I don't even feel like letting Sandy talk today, man, because she wants to get back to the phone lines. Should I let Sandy speak about mortgages? Should I let Sandy tell you why it's better to, of course, go direct with a bank? Should I let Sandy know that First Republic Mortgage Bankers is going to give you the lowest interest rate? She knows already. Sandy, what's up, girl? How you doing?
How are you?
You thought I was going to put you on that.
I know. I thought you were leaning to that. It's like, go straight to the phones.
Yeah, I know. The phone lines have been blazing, man, and more than ever. And that's because First Republic Mortgage Bankers is well below the national average as to the lending rate for purchases and individuals who are refinancing.
Exactly.
How can Scott Siskin do that? You know, he's giving back so much to these people out there and definitely making sure people get a very, very low interest rate. How can he do that?
Well, that's Scott. He can do it. And everything, of course, within the guidelines. So we have the government-backed program, which still offers 5.5% interest rate for refinances, for purchases 6.25%. So I mean, these are the lowest rates out there right now. And
what I wanted to ask you, what is the difference between an FHA program and a non-FHA program, and which is more advantageous? Asking you if one qualifies for both.
Okay, the government-backed program, which is the FHA, I mean, it's not a credit-driven program. So,
that's one good thing.
Exactly.
Right.
So, I mean, you can have, a low credit and still be able to purchase your home or refinance, what you currently have. The other one, of course, your credit, it's looking more at your credit. It's more credit-driven than anything else.
It is more credit-driven?
Yes.
Okay. And once again, folks, Sandy's right here in the building. She would like to speak with you. She would like to share some information with you. Speaking about credit, now, not everyone will qualify necessarily for the FHA program,
No,
correct?
not everyone will, but there are other programs that they can qualify into. So, I mean, just calling and trying to find out will get you something.
Right.
You may not qualify for that government, backed program because we can't say everyone will qualify.
Right.
But there are different programs that we can qualify you into. So make that call and find out which one you can qualify into. First Republic offers different programs. So, there's your advantage there. If you don't get into one, you get into the other. But we will, make sure that we can refinance your property or, purchase your new one.
Let's get on the competitive edge. Let's say someone does not qualify for the FHA program for whatever reason, maybe because of the limits or whatever. And you guys offer a program because you're a bank, you can offer any loan program.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's say you offer a program that is non-FHA. Are you still competitive across the United States as far as interest rates are concerned? Are you below the national average or are you above?
Absolutely. We still are below the average. So, whichever program you want, you will qualify into, you will always have the lower rate. Wherever else you go, you're always going to get slightly higher. But because it's First Republic Mortgage Bank, we offer those lower rates. So, we are competitive. We are offering the competitive rate. So, believe me, you're not going to get any lower. There is no middle person. It's First Republic Mortgage Bank. So there you go. When you say bank, there's no middle person.
Right. A lot of folks ask about closing costs. A lot of folks ask about good faith estimates. A lot of folks ask all these questions. Are you ready to give all these answers right now to a lot of individuals who have been calling already and will be calling you? And what's your comment on that?
Yes, I mean there are nothing's hidden, guys. There are no hidden costs. Everything is upfront. So whatever it is that you need to know as far as good faith estimate, truth in lending, we will guide you through. If you don't understand it, we'll tell you exactly what each line means, and there's nothing hidden. Everything is there for you to see.
What if a financial institution lies and fabricates or it covers up stuff? What can happen to one's license?
It can be revoked.
Thank you. All right, that's very, very important. So, folks, once again, here on Link Up Media, we pride ourselves in definitely, of course, advertising and promoting First Republic Mortgage Bankers. And Mr. Scott Siskin is the squarest man I've ever met.
Oh, no, he's by the book. By the book.
He is by the book.
That's it.
And folks, pick up the phone, ask questions, speak directly with Sandy. I'm going to drop some more music right now and ask Sandy to take all the calls from people in Connecticut, people in New York,
that's right,
people in New Jersey. All right. And right now, let's open up our phone lines. She's here. She's bilingual. She speaks multiple languages. She can speak with you right now and, of course, get you the right loan program and yet the lowest possible interest rate and answering every single question that you might have in your head. Remember, it is a bank. It is First Republic Mortgage Bankers. And, of course, headed up by a man that does everything by the book. So right now, give a ring. The number here in the studios. Should I give them the number?
Give them the number. Squeeze.
You think I should, man?
Hey, give them the number. They have to talk to me, so you have to give them the number.
Man. All right, let's give you the number right now, folks. Her name is Sandy, a beautiful lady, always so articulate and always dressed so sharply, and she has one best dressed over there at First Republic Mortgage Bankers.
Oh, no, not you too.
Yeah, me too. I know about it, out of hundreds of employees. Okay, right now, let's make the link, the number to speak with Sandy about refinancing your home, paying off your credit card bills, taking some cash out, okay, investing in another property, buying a house, getting the right loan program. Let's say you're thinking about buying a house for the new year. That's your new resolution. Let's say you're thinking about refinancing for the new year or before the new year. That's your resolution. Make the call right now. The number to speak directly with a loan officer from First Republic Mortgage, a direct bank. The number is 718-325-5555. I repeat, 718-325-5555. She will answer all your questions off the air right here in our radio studios. Wherever you are, whomever you are, she wants to speak with you. She wants to go over your adjustable rate mortgages. She wants to talk with you about how you can revamp that mortgage. She would like to explain in detail how you can go about, of course, taking care of yourselves. And if you want, you can take the free information and then do whatever you want to do. No obligations are required. First Republic Mortgage Bankers is right here in the building on Black Friday. And, of course, she would like to speak with you. Sandy, she's in the building. 718-325-5555. Sandy, the phone line blazes, so I'm going to let you go, all right?
All right, guys.
Catch up with you later on. That's Sandy, once again, from First Republic Mortgage Bankers, right here inside of the building. Give her a ring. The number is 718-325-5555.